Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that KYVE network token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, KYVE network is revolutionizing customized access to on and off-chain data by providing fast and easy tooling for decentralized data validation, mutably and retrievable. With KYVE, developers, node runners, data analysis, and more no longer need to worry about tedious querying or relying on centralized, non-validated data solutions when building for the rely on KYVE as their trustless data hub. KYVE network project is representing is 3.9. KYVE network token total supply is 1.27 billion and circulating supply is 1.2 billion KYVE token. KYVE token is listed on gate.io, crypto.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.